Hi guys, this is Preeti and we are back in the live session. I'm sorry, I think it's more than 2 weeks. We haven't done any live and a lot of viruses I think in the air. Guys, please take care. I just recovered from a very bad viral typhoid. I don't know what it was, but so bad. You can still hear my voice, like how different it is from what used to be. But anyways, and wedding season is also around the corner. You guys are going out, eating out, and that's all. So just now reached Kota, so I thought, okay, we have a very good collection which we can do live and show for the current wedding season. December is full of weddings. So the first sari is my favorite. The reason is I have a similar sari which I wore for my daughter's birthday, third birthday, and since then this color isn't very much in demand, you can see we just posted the reel also on this some time back. You can see the top border here. The body of the sari is all florals. Those who doesn't want any figures, butterflies or anything, this sari is apt for them. However, this is a broad border, but since it's the same color, doesn't look like that. You can see the broad border here. This is your pallu and blouse is running with this one. So this is the first sari for the day. It's a double tissue. Guys, our double tissue range starts around 2 lakhs. We don't offer discounts on anything which is fresh. There is always a discount on a sample piece. You can always check with your sales executive whether we have a sample of the same design available or not, on which you can get the discounts. Otherwise, anything fresh, new, we don't have any offers anywhere around the year. So yeah, second piece is a pitchwai we have restocked, is this one. This piece is also was very much in demand. You can see the beautiful cow here. That's your top border. Your bottom border, the body of the sari. This is your pallu, very interesting pallu, and here is the blouse for the same. This is also a double tissue sari, guys. The third piece is a bottle green and red combination. I personally love this combination when it comes to a wedding. See this one, you can see this is your top border. You can see the detailing in the top border also. Silver zari and lot of florals. Your broad border, you can see. And the body of the sari looks like this. This is the part of our new collection. This is your pallu. And blouse is, I think, red with this one. You can check again on WhatsApp video call once you are ready to purchase this. Next piece also we have restocked is this one. This is a non-tissue sari but looks very interesting because the usage of zari is so much in this particular one. This is your bottom border. You can see we are so short of broad border saris, especially in non-tissue and in single tissue. This is your pallu and blouse will show you on WhatsApp. Next piece is a feast to the eyes. You can see I just love this piece. This is a new piece in lavender color and you can just see the design. This is absolutely gorgeous. Someone who want to pair up this sari with a cocktail kind of blouse or something very modern yet very Indian. You can see the border also, the body of the sari, and see the blouse. It's very interesting piece and one of my favorite from this collection. Next piece also we have restocked is a Mughlai design. This was someone's order, but I think we lost the track who has ordered this sari. So if you're watching this video, please let us know. So this is your bottom border. The body of the sari has this Mughlai jal. You can see the detailing here and the florals. This is your pallu, a Dhakai Jamdani pallu. And this is the blouse for the same. The next piece is a Patan Patola inspired design, you can say, in tissue kota. Is this one in lavender color. You must have seen a celebrity wearing the same color combination in a different design on our page. So this sari is quite similar to that. However, that's a Dhakai design and this is a Patan design. This is the pallu for the same. Next is the same combination what I am wearing, but see the detailing in this particular sari. You're gonna love it. If you have a daughter, then you can plan this sari for her. You just see the detailing in this sari with all gold zari and silver zari. Again, a very interesting pallu is this one, and the body of the sari probably you can plan something like this on the sleeves of the blouse. Next piece, again lavender for the bridesmaid or for your peliguturu. You can see the broad border, like around 6 inches I feel. This is your bottom border. The body of the sari, again a jal, gold zari and silver zari and florals. And this is the pallu for the same. I'm sorry for the disturbance. It's my daughter. she wanted to do live today. This saree also you must have seen long back on our page. So we are creating some old designs because they are very much in demand. So after 2 years, we are crafting this piece. I'm going to share the picture very soon. I think I myself have shot this saree with a pearl color white blouse with pearl work itself. This piece is also very interesting. And the body of the saree is all geometrics, Hakai Jamdani, and here is your pallu. The next piece is in brown and green. Looks like a painting. Was sold out. All flamingos, kind of birds. Comes with a green blouse. I would suggest if you really want this, when you're bored of like maybe after 10-20 years, you can frame this saree. I have done this with my sarees. And here is your pallu. And the last piece, again a Hakai Jamdani design, is this one in blue color. You can see your top border here. Bottom border. The body of the saree, all zari, comes with a peach blouse. And that's all about this session. Also guys, I wanted to show you one piece. This piece also we have restocked. One of our best seller. We have done a red color embroidery on this piece. And you can see the detailing here. I just wanted to show something, is this line. So this is a natural tendency of any handloom saree. Sometimes the threads are missing. That's not a defect, guys. This is how these sarees are sometimes, because every karigar is a different karigar. We consider defect as a whole zari displacement or any mark on the saree. In that case, you can replace your piece if you have an unboxing video. Otherwise, this is a natural tendency of the saree. And this is also restocked. You can watch the video on the page. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll be saving this as IGTV. Bye bye. Take care.